Excuse me. Please wake up. Come on, wake up. You're finally awake. Great. Welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, guys. And Flavia and I were so excited when Nintendo announced that they are going to be doing a reboot of Mystery Dungeon. I am so excited because we were just like, oh my God, what can we cook for this? And then I was just like, they had apples, and I was like, I was like, wait, golden apples, golden toffee apples to fill your belly. So I'm just like, we're gonna make them have a nice full belly before we go on an adventure. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need. Between 6 to 8 Granny Smith apples. I'm using Granny Smith because they're a bit tart. I'm using quite small apples. If you're using large ones, you're gonna need less. 1 cup of water. I took this from the bottled water from the vending machine. Increases some HP, so that's helpful. 3 cups of caster sugar. Half a cup of corn syrup or glucose syrup. White opaque food coloring. You're going to need about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of this. I recommend getting the opaque one because this is really going to bring out the beautiful golden yellow color. Then some yellow food coloring, probably about 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, depending on how vibrant you want the color. And then I've got 2 kinds of edible golden glitter. I've got some yellow glitter and I've got some actual golden glitter spray. This is just to make them extra specially gold. I'm so excited. And then you're going to need some pop sticks. I'm using some takeaway disposable chopsticks because I didn't have pop sticks. Let's get started and go on an adventure. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put our water, pretty much everything except for the glitter and the apples, in a medium saucepan and then putting it on a medium-high heat until a candy thermometer reaches 150 degrees Celsius. I think from memory that's like 302 degrees Fahrenheit. And I really recommend getting a candy thermometer for this one because it's also what's known as the hard cracking stage or the toffee stage. So definitely get yourself a candy thermometer for this. So we're putting our caster sugar, then our glucose syrup, and then our water into the medium-sized pot. Now, the reason I'm doing it this way is if I add the water last, it makes sure that none of the sugar bumps up and goes on the side of the pan. Because if this cooks unevenly, it can burn before the rest of your toffee is at temperature, which is not what you want. Then we're going to just stir that together until it's all combined. Then add our white food coloring to make it opaque. Now, don't be confused. I know this looks like moo moo milk now. It is not. This is just white sugar. And then we're adding our yellow food coloring until it's the color you desire. Then we're going to put on the stove. You want your toffee to be about as yellow as Pikachu. While your toffee is getting to temperature, wash your apples. Now you want to wash them thoroughly just under the tap. Then make sure they're all completely dry. Use a paper towel and don't forget to get the little bit around the center with the stem. Then take one of your pop sticks and then just insert it into the top. This is just so you can move your apple around in a hot mixture without burning yourself because that's not fun. Once it goes over 100 degrees, the bubbles will start to set. You might need a pastry brush and some water to get the sugar off the sides, again just so that they don't burn. If yours doesn't do this, then don't worry. So how I'm doing this is I'm holding onto the stick of my apple and spinning it around in the hot toffee. Now, as you can see, there are some bubbles that are forming. If you continue to jiggle and kind of tap the stick on the side of the pot, they'll start to pop and then they won't stay on the apple. But of course, while they're cooling, they may also form bubbles. It's just trial and error. Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay guys, that's how you make my beautiful golden apples from Pokémon Mystery Dungeon. They are amazing. Fair warning, the glitter does go a little bit everywhere. I feel a bit like a fairy right now. But yeah, they're so gorgeous. Look, just listen to this hard crack. That is what you want in a toffee apple. I'm so excited. Flavia, get over here. Let's eat.
I'm very excited. These look super cute.
Okay.
How are we gonna do this?
Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna go. Ooh, peach. Actually, you know what? Let's cut it.
That's a good idea. You want to be careful with your teeth, kids.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh. I feel my belly getting full. Ooh.
Oh, my belly's full too.
Are you ready for an adventure?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, I'm stuck. Gotta go on an adventure. Okay, that was a bit lame. Sorry about that.
A bit lame.
But oh my god, I love these. These are so good.
They are, and the apple's actually the perfect apple to go with this.
Yeah, if
It's
you
not
went with
like overly sweet.
yeah, if you went with like a pink lady or something, it would be too sweet. But this is great. Then just listen to this. That's what you want in a toffee. It's beautiful around the outside. Thank you so much, Nintendo, for re-bringing this into our lives. I'm so excited to play Mystery Dungeon.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
It was
that
one of
game is my life.
I know, it's just so wholesome, it's so beautiful. But yeah, make these when you start it off and you'll be full and ready for all the adventures that world throws for you.
Woo.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.